I am Professor Arvind Prasad Pandit. Today I am going to deliver a lecture upon model question papers for semester 5th, core course 11 for organic chemistry. The question is set up as per university norms, multiple choice question, short answer type questions and long answer type question. At first, multiple choice question, 10 questions are set up. First question, increasing order of ultraviolet absorption maxima of ethylene, butadiene and naphthalene is. First choice is ethylene, naphthalene, butadiene. Second choice is ethylene, butadiene and naphthalene. Third choice is butadiene, naphthalene, ethylene. And fourth choice is naphthalene, butadiene and ethylene. The correct answer is B. The second question is, which of the following compound will react with methyl magnesium chloride to give tertiary butyl alcohol? The choices are first acetone, second acetaldehyde, third acetyl chloride, fourth isopropyl alcohol. And third question is, sulfonation of benzene follows up the mechanism. First electrophilic addition, second nucleophilic addition, third is electrophilic substitution and fourth is nucleophilic substitution. The correct answer is C. The fourth question is, furan reacts with ammonia in presence of alumina at 400 degrees centigrade to give, first is pyridine and second is furfural, third is furic acid and pyrrole. The correct answer is D, that is pyrrole. The fifth question is, pyridine has a delocalized pi molecular orbital containing 12 electrons, second choice 8 electrons, third choice 6 electrons and 4 electrons. The correct answer is C, that is 6 electrons. The sixth question is, nitrogen atom in pyridine is sp hybridized, second choice sp2 hybridized, third choice sp3 hybridized and none. The correct answer is B, that is sp2 hybridized. The sixth question is, sodium salt of malonic ester on treatment with acetyl chloride followed by hydrolysis and decarboxylation gives. First choice is acetone, second is acetyl acetic acid, third choice is butane, fourth choice is propionic acid. The correct answer is B. Seventh question is, the compound which is formed due to reaction of sodium salt of acetoacetic ester with halogen derivatives of an ester followed by acid hydrolysis is. First is monocarboxylic acid, second is dicarboxylic acid, third is tricarboxylic acids and fourth is tetracarboxylic acids. The correct answer is C. And ninth question is, ethyl acetoacetate show isomerism. First metamerism, second stereoisomerism, third functional isomerism and fourth is tautomerism. The correct answer is D, that is tautomerism. The last multiple choice question is, quinoline can be prepared by first scrap synthesis, second Dobner-Miller synthesis, third Friedel synthesis and fourth is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The group second, that is group B, short answer type questions. Here 4 questions to be answered from out of 8 questions. Each question carry 5 marks, that is total 20 marks. Second question, explain the PMR spectrum of ethyl bromide. Third question is, discuss the structure of Grignard reagent. Fourth question is, starting from a Grignard reagent, how will you prepare each of the following? First is primary alcohol and second is secondary alcohol. Fifth question is, why thiols are more acidic than alcohols. Sixth question is, compare the basic character of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. Seventh question is, explain Chichi-Bevin reaction. And eighth question is, write structure formula of the following. First is piperidine and second is isoquinoline. And ninth question is, what is Claisen condensation? The group C, which contains long answer type questions. Each question contain total 15 marks. That is, in group C, 2 questions to be answered out of 4 questions and 15 marks each. That is total 30 marks given in long answer type question. Question number 10, what is Grignard reagent? Second portion is how Grignard reagent is prepared in the laboratory. Third is how will you synthesize the following compounds from a Grignard reagent. First, 2-butanone, second ethanoic acid, third is tertiary butyl alcohol, fourth is acetaldehyde, and fourth is methylamine. Question number 11, discuss the scrap synthesis of quinoline with mechanism. Second one is discuss the relative aromatic character of benzene, pyrrole and pyridine. Third is why electrophilic substitution in pyrrole takes place at 2 positions, whereas it takes place at 3 positions in pyridine. Question number 12. First portion is what is the active methylene group. Second is how ethyl acetoacetate is prepared in the laboratory. Third is how ethyl acetoacetate can be converted to first acetic acid, second succinic acid, third is crotonic acid, and fourth is 4-methyl uracil. Question number 13, that is the last question for long answer type. First is write short notes on any 3 of the following. First, ketoenol tautomerism of ethyl acetoacetate. Second is alkylation of enamines, and third is Fischer-Indol synthesis. Fourth is application of PMR spectroscopy, and fifth is mustard gas. Students advise to answer this question, and where they want some help, they send their inquiries on email. Thank you.